This is part of the Daktronics Digital Signage Expertise Development Learning Program. This is Module 104, where we'll cover Daktronics Media Players that we use for LCD-based digital signage. First, we'll cover the DWP, the Daktronics Web Player. It's a software-only product that's built for the LG WebOS platform. Daktronics has built a web player for a software-based media player that runs on that platform. WebOS is the development environment that's built in select models of LG LCDs, and we use several of those for our LCD-based digital signage solutions. It does integrate with Venus Control Suite for content management. The LCD networks for commercial and live events customers are primarily the user for this. If we want to take a minute, we can look at the resources that are available to support knowledge and support and services for this product. Product support pages and the product reference pages likewise will cover the DMP, so you can search through those for DWP or DMP. The LCD Networks page this is also a product reference page. And of course, there are knowledge base articles. If I just type in DWP, you can see there's lots of articles. And then of course, they'll be in the Learning Center where this video and all the others will be posted, particular instance. And there's an install tutorial. Any other tutorial videos we create will be available in the Learning Center as well. So next, we'll look at the 8120. This is a low-cost entry-level media player that is a hardware system. It's external to the display, connects to the display, and this is used for very simple digital signage installs. As a matter of fact, this product is being replaced by the DMP 8121 with equal performance dimensions. So the 8120, as we consume the inventory we have and look to phase that product out over time, we will include an end-of-life plan that allows for service spares and replacements. Like I said, this will be phased out in favor of a very similar product, the 8121. A little bit different performance dimensions, but would support all of the same sort of applications. So show control integration, NDI support, and 60 frames per second output are things we're going to enhance this media player with so that it is more capable and able to support a wider range of applications. Similarly, the same set of links here will take you to the resources that are available for the 8121. And think of this as our single channel, entry-level, 1080p only external media player for LCD-based digital signage. The 8122 is more capable, supports 2 channels of output, 2 channels of 1080p content simultaneously, or a single 4K output for higher resolution applications. LCD networks and LED displays for commercial and live events customers are the primary targets. We will be updating the 8122 as the Intel roadmap evolves. These are built on OEM hardware. And as those performance requirements and performance dimensions increase and evolve over time, we'll be updating this hardware as well. This system can be either wired or wireless, as you can see, and it is a little bit larger, but a more capable media player. Same resources pages are available for knowledge development and for help on understanding how this product is installed, configured. Coming soon and still under construction is the 8124. That'll be our most capable Daktronics media player for LCD digital signage. That'll allow for 4 channels of 1080p content. Ideally, we would like to get 2 channels of 4K output as well for those higher res applications. This is the player we would use for heavy interactive applications or 4K applications, video wall applications that require multiple channels of output, different independent streams of content. And again, this is primarily LCD networks and LED displays for commercial and live events customers. Coming soon, so we're looking forward to releasing this product later in 2023. So we talked a little bit about multi-channel media player. What do we mean when we say that? If we understand Venus and how layouts work and how our media players work, you can tile a set of LCD displays together using a one-channel display and zoning to create a canvas across 4 different LCDs using a single output. You can take that approach. One of the things that you could even map different content to the different zones in a single channel setup and cover several different LCD physical displays. However, one of the advantages of having a multi-channel player is the ability to sort of safeguard the content so that you don't have a single point of failure tiling content to all 4 displays. You have divvied up the content into individual streams and then allow those displays to either tile from one to the next, or in the case of a 4-channel media player, you could have a larger video wall and independently address content to 1 or more displays, sets of displays, different areas within the video wall, and allows for a lot more flexibility, eliminates that single point of failure for with a single output, and allows for things like digital menu systems where if one display goes down, you really don't want the other displays to go down. So in that case, a multi-channel output player, it safeguards against total failure of something as mission critical as a digital menu system. So let's look a little bit at what we're talking about with these media players. Thank you very much. Again, any questions, feel free to reach out to training or to product management for suggestions or questions, and hopefully we've answered some of those today.